Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we kind of got a rocket fire episode here due to some technical difficulties. We have a Peppercorn Ranch Turkey Sandwich. All right, let me talk you through how to make the Peppercorn Ranch sauce for this sandwich. You want a half a cup of buttermilk, a quarter cup of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of regular mayonnaise, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of cracked black pepper, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then, you want to mix all that together and put it in a one of those little squeeze bottles I like to use. Now, because I love mayo, gonna add some more mayo to this. And this is 2 pieces of whole wheat that have been toasted up oh so nicely in the toaster. And now we want to add some nice iceberg lettuce, some nice smoked pepper turkey, and nice little slice of Swiss cheese, that peppercorn ranch sauce we made, and some salami. I was thinking about doing some bacon, but I decided to let salami have today. So a little bit of salami. And a nice little piece of pepper jack, and put the top on, and that's pretty much it. And just get a little old knife here and cut this thing down the middle, and that is a Peppercorn Ranch Turkey Sandwich. Done.